Good morning, I'm Amy from Camping Companions, and today we're making breakfast casserole. The kids are still snoozing, and it takes about an hour, so let's get started.
We like to use the outdoor kitchen, so we're not making a lot of noise and waking up the kids inside. So we use the outdoor kitchen, just light the burner.
Normally we'd brown the sausage before we come, but for the sake of the video, we're gonna do it here. First we spray down the casserole dish. Then we take our biscuits, we pop this open, rip them up, and put them in the bottom of the casserole dish. I hate these things. I'm just breaking it up into little bites. Doesn't matter, it's gonna bake and spread anyway. Kevin's cooking sausage for our breakfast casserole, but it doesn't have to be sausage. You can use bacon. You can make a vegetarian style with spinach and mushrooms, onions.
Broccoli we did once too.
That's true. You can make a meat lovers one that's got sausage and bacon. The possibilities are endless. So we've got our pre-browned sausage that we're gonna put right on top of the biscuits that we put in the casserole dish. We'll spread them as evenly as possible. Don't want any bites without the sausage. So what we prep before we go. So all we do is we take our pre-mixed eggs. We take a dozen eggs and salt and pepper, and we mix them together with our milk and scramble them, and then we pour them right over top of the sausage and biscuit mixture here. All right, so ours are still a little bit frozen. I think we need to turn down the refrigerator. This doesn't look very appetizing right now, but it will be.
No meal in our house is complete without cheese. Normally, we like to use cheddar, but we ran out. So we've got mozzarella, same thing. It was in the freezer, so we got a big hunk of it, but we got enough that are broken down to... Set toaster oven for 350. It takes about an hour to cook this. We just put it to stay on. We have an hour on our toaster oven, but we just set an alarm to come check it every so often anyway, so. Sets right in.
And now it's ready.